What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be installing these bad boys, the side skirts. So basically I'm going to be using the hardware that came with it. So I think there's 16 self-tapping screws in here, and just to be safe I also bought more. But basically before I start right now, if you guys remember from my paint job that I did, there's like 1 or 2 scratches left in the paint, like over here. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but yeah, I'm just gonna wet sand, compound it, and then I'm gonna prep the area for install. I'm gonna clean it, and then we'll wait for my boy Anthony to come over so then he can give me a hand, and then we can just install it. Alright guys, side skirts are now clean and shiny. They've just been compounded too, so you can be sure there's no scratches on them. Alright y'all, the man showed up. What's up, dude? So now we're gonna get ready to install the side skirt on this side. Basically the same process as the front lip that we installed over there, except it's on the side this time. We'll just try to align it and then like put the screws in. Alright, so basically make sure you start from one end and then you work your way down, and don't just start like this end and then do this one, because then you might have some slack in the middle. Yeah, it won't sit flush. So basically have a friend hold it, and then you just take your self-tapping screw and your whatever you have and just drill it in. Alright guys, so we finished putting like 8 self-tapping screws in, but basically you're gonna need like more self-tapping screws for the ends over here and here, because it's dangling like Anthony's gonna show you. Yeah, that's no good. So you're probably gonna need something that's like even longer than this. Probably gonna have to go to the hardware store right now and find something, because that's the longest we have. Alright, so we're gonna start this side now, and then we're probably gonna go to the hardware store and get some extra long screws. So we're done the installation for like the most part. We just need to go get some longer screws for this thing over here. So this thing over here, like the end, so you guys can see it's kind of like wobbling all the way, like all over the place. So get a screw and then put it like right through this thing, and we should be good. So we need like 4 of these screws, so just gonna go get that right now.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we just came back from the hardware store, got our screws. Got like 8 of them. It's like 2-inch long, so that should work. If not, then this is such a fail, but yeah, let's try that for now and we'll see.
Alright, that shit goes straight up. Actually goes straight up. It might hit the clip though, so.
Oh yeah, true.
I think the most important thing is like, just make sure you don't do it too much to one side where it's like, it goes to
yeah. Alright guys, so we got one in, the first one in right here. So as you guys can see, it's a lot tighter now. But then when you're drilling, basically make sure when you're drilling, don't just drill like upright, drill at an angle towards the center of the car, because you don't want the screw to be sticking out. Just gotta do it 3 more times and we should be good. Alright guys, so we're done this side. Both sides are pretty tight in here. And then this side as well. Yeah, push it in. Show these men. Yeah. So this thing is not coming off the car unless like you like step on it over here, which I doubt anyone will. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the other side now, and that'll be it. Alright y'all, so here we have it. Side skirts installed. Like just like the other side, there's like the sides are now like solid and they're not coming off unless you want it to. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.